In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a leading zero to numbers in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever worked with zip codes, product IDs, employee numbers, or any kind of code that needs to stay a fixed length, you've probably noticed that Excel likes to remove zeros at the beginning of a number. The good news is that you can fix that quickly with custom formatting, and that's exactly what we're doing here. To begin, select the range where you want to apply the formatting. This could be a single cell, a full column, or a group of cells containing the numbers you want to display with leading zeros. It's a good idea to double check your selection before moving on, especially if you're working in a larger spreadsheet. Once your cells are selected, right-click anywhere in that highlighted range and choose Format Cells. This opens the formatting options for those cells, where you can control how numbers appear without changing the underlying value itself. That's an important detail, because in this method, you're adjusting the display format rather than rewriting the numbers manually. In the Format Cells window, go to the Number tab. From there, look for the category list and select Custom. The Custom Format option gives you more control over exactly how Excel should display the values in your selected cells. Now, move to the Type field. Here, type in 5 zeros. This tells Excel that you want every number in the selected cells to display as a 5-digit number. So if you have a value like 42, Excel will show it as 2. If the number already has 5 digits, it will stay the same. This is a simple and very effective way to standardize how your data looks. As soon as you enter that format, take a look at the sample preview. Excel shows you exactly how the formatted number will appear, which helps you confirm that the result matches what you want before applying it. If the preview looks right, you're ready for the final step. Click OK to apply the formatting. And that's it. Your selected numbers will now appear with leading zeros, making them consistent and easier to read. This is especially useful when you need clean, uniform formatting for reports, imports, or lists that depend on fixed length values. If you need a different number of total digits, just use more or fewer zeros in the type field. The same method works either way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.